Dear friends, most of the time we are asked in our office to make a book in place of a loose file which is difficult in handling. So you can make any book on very short notice with the availability of just stapler tape and its cover pages. So let's go to the screen. I'll show you that how you can make it. It doesn't require much items, rather arrange your pages. You can see in my hand. I'm just looking that the page number are in order, and try to align the pages properly. These are cover pages which is transparent, made of plastic. So place one on the top and another at the bottom. It will give you protection to your book when you are going to align it, rearrange it, and better you keep it with hit with a surface like table or any flat surface. You will see that I'll do it very easily. It's convenient. Now the alignment is done from one side, and now on another side. Sometimes pages go up and down, but you can easily fix it by pressing or by tapping. You can see that I'm doing. It will be aligned, perfect align, blur. Now I will press it and it will come across the book. When the first staple is inserted, alignment rarely move. Now the book is ready. See at the back if your stapler nail is a little sharp, so hit it with some item so that it may not hurt your hand or whatever. This is tape. It's just for beautification and a little more protection. I'll cut the side because that it's looking rather a little odd, so I made a proper cut. Place it on one side, and better you keep the distance so it could go to the other end. Turn the book if you are cutting the tape to perfectly cut it, although the scissor I do have is not much sharp, so I am facing a little difficulty. Now I have cut it, and I'll cut it with my hand. You can see that I'm just turning it to the other side. Now your book looks very nice. You can see that the book is properly made. Now you can carry it. Your pages are not loose. It looks good. If you would like to make it a little more strong, so make the tape on the other side double. This is a blade. With the blade you can cut more precise. My friend is also helping me in this manner. It's our office. I hope you would like the view. Press the tape properly so it may not do have any loose ball or bubble like. You can see that the blade is properly cutting the tape. The other end will now also be cut, and it would be rather more beautiful and more fit. It's ready. You can see both sides of the book. You can make this book only with a short notice of, I think, rather 1 or 2 minutes. The book is ready and it's a view. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and be in contact. Thank you.